Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use React navigation in React Native with TypeScript. So the first component in React navigation is stack navigation. So we are going to implement stack navigation concept in this video. So what is this stack navigation concept and how we can use it? For that I need to go to the website of React navigation. So remember that. So here I say React navigation and I will go to this website. Here we have React navigation. So I need to get a start. So first of all I need to install it. So I need to copy this React Native and go to this. I need to close this. Remember that I need to close this application. In the same folder I need to specify, enter, and I need to install it. So it will install React navigation in my application. Then I need to install the dependencies because I'm using React Native CLI. So I need to copy this. Remember, we need to copy this and we need to install this one also. So I copy paste and install the dependencies. Now one more thing we have to do if I'm using React Native. If you are not using React Native, just simply do this, install this, otherwise install it. If you are using iOS application, you have to install like this, but I'm using Android, so I need to open this main activity.java file. Under this Java package I need to copy this and this I have to import. So for that I need to go to the Android folder. So Android folder is here. So Android folder, then I need to go to app folder, then I go to src, then I go to main. Under this we have the Java, then we have this application file main activity. Remember, we have to copy paste this line here and I need to add this function also, that I have added here, implemented here. So this we have to copy, this we have to copy from here, and this line we have to copy, and this we have to put in main.activity file. I explain you. After saving this, your React navigation is ready, but you need to install stack navigation also. For that you need to go to the next file here, hello React navigation. Here is a stack, so you have to copy this and we have to install stack also. Remember that this need to be installed for a stack navigation. So 3 library we have to install: React navigation, React navigation dependencies, and React navigation native stack. And we have to make a configuration also in main activity.java file. So these are the main requirement of this stack navigation in React Native with a TypeScript. Now I need to create one central file that will have all the screen like we have here. Remember, this we have to make the central file that will you can say control all the component. So for that I need this, we have to copy these, but before that I need to create a component also. So I create one component. First of all I create a folder, I say navigation. So all navigation I will put here. Then under this navigation I create one more folder, I say stack navigation, stack. Okay, so under this stack I create one file and I give the all screens.tsx. so this is the central component that I need. So I say rnfes, so that I'm going to create functional component. Now I need to import this here and I need to remove this line, no need of this, but I need this. Then I need to create an object, so I say const and I say stack as an object I'm creating, and I say create navigation like this. Remember that we have to use stack, I need to create. Then this is the root element. One modification we have to make, I will tell you that. So this we need a navigation container, then navigator, then the screen we need. For that I replace it to navigation container like this. So I say navigation container. In place of this I remove it. In place of this I use stack dot navigator. Remember that this tag I need. Under this I need to define my screen, so I say stack.screen. Here I need to specify name of the screen. The first screen I say home screen, and I need component of this, so I specify the home as a component and I just close this. Similarly, I need to create two more screen, so I say next screen is screen 2. Okay, that is home screen, the main screen, and I say screen 1, and here I say screen 2, or here I can say screen 1, screen 2, and here I pass, for example, I say screen 1 and here I pass as screen 2, that I am going to pass. I save this and make formatting also. Now question arises that where are these screens that we have to create, and I need that is we done one extra bracket we have, save this, and one screen I need to create these 3 screens, and that I need to install this all screen component in this application also. So first of all I go there and remember that I need to remove previous, so I previously created function I remove here, then I create previous component also, and in place of this I call all screen under the YouTube folder, and here I create this. Now I start my application, so I say I need to close this way because it is now I just start this application once again, so I say npx react native run android, so it will run this application once again with all the dependencies and a React navigation library. So once this start, because it will generate error also, because I created this, I added this, but I not created these screens. So meanwhile it start, so I create these screens also. So I say home screen, so I say home dot tsx first screen, then I say next screen, I say screen 1 dot tsx, then I create one more screen, I say screen 2 dot tsx. So these are the 3 components that I required. So first of all I create home, so I say rnfes, save this, it is home right now. Then I take screen here, so I say rnfes, this screen is created 1 then screen 2, so I say rnfes, then screen 3 is created. Then I need to import all these here, so I say import, so I say home and I say home from the same folder, then I say import and I say screen 1 from the same folder, and then I say import screen 2 from the same folder, and I save this. Okay, so this is the here I need to specify name, not a home, that is a problem. So name not a home, it is a mistake, so I say name of the screen is this, save this. Now I need to reload it, so I just go there and restart it. It's saying the style sheet is not available, so once again I just restart this Android application. It's saying one error that style sheet does not exist, so there is a problem in one module, so that is style sheet. So I take this, where is style sheet, because this is a problem because style sheet is coming, so I remove the dependency. So here I need to delete this because I do not require this style sheet, so remove this and save this. So you see that problem is here, we did this and we did all the steps that is mentioned here, but there is a problem here that we need to give this React navigation container, at a root element in app component. That's why we are not getting a result here. No problem in this application is absolutely right, but there is a problem that I'm using this, I'm calling this component under this. You see there is a safe area, scroll view, and here I'm using, I need to remove this, I need to cut it, remember that I need to use here outside of this, and I am just removing all this. So I need to remove all this, remember that, no need of all these things. So I remove this status bar also, no need of this. I need this scroll bar also, no need of this. if I'm using React navigation, remember that. So I am using here this event I'm using. So I need to you can say remove this, means this should be the central component. So I cut it from here, remember that, and in place of this I paste this like this. Again I need to cut it from here because it should be the root element in app component. So I need to remove this and I need to here. Then I need this component I require, I need import of this. So I cut from here, and after that I save this also, and I go here and I import this statement here, and I need to remove these component, doesn't require. I save this, and you will see that I doesn't require view also here, doesn't require view also here, doesn't require toast also here, and I does not require these scroll view and text and nothing I require, because I'm using React navigation. It should be the, I'm removing this also, this should be the main component. Like this way I save it and I do formatting, and you see that this this style also I does not require. Why? Because I don't require, because I'm using React navigation. So I need clean this, and this app component should have a navigation container as a root component. Inside this I have to specify the screen. So you see all three screens we are using here. So first screen by default is coming. So if I cut and paste this screen, you see if I do cut and paste, means I just cut this screen first one and I make it first here. So you will see that this screen 1 will be the default screen, the first screen. I restart and you will see that screen 1 will be the first screen. Save this, and I need to refresh also. So I say R, reloading this. You see in place of home, now we have screen 1 as a home screen. So we can control this by using initial root's name, and I can pass here home. So I need home as my fundamental screen. So that home I want, yes. So I can give the capital name also here, home, and I just save this, and I need to refresh also. So I go this and I say R, so it will refresh the screen and it will come home as a home screen now, you see. And I do formatting also. So this is formatting. So this screen, this is coming as a React navigation. You see this is React navigation stack, we have a home here. So now I can make some style sheet also to make it better. So I can say here that it is home screen, and I can pass here style. I say style equal to I say heading, style dot heading, and same I can do here style, and I say equal to styles dot container. So I create both here. I say container, I say flex equal to 1, and I say justify content equal to center, and I say alignment item to the center. Save this. So you see home is coming in the screen at the center. Now I say heading. This heading I say text font size. Font size should be of 30. I say font weight should be of bold. I save it and I do formatting. You see home screen is coming. Similarly I just copy this and I go to screen 1, and here in place of this I paste this also. I go in screen 2 also, in place of style I paste this also. I save this, save here also, and I change here also. I say style is style container dot container, and here I say style, and this style is style dot heading. Save this. Same I do here also, and I go there and I say style equal to style dot container. Here I say style equal to styles dot heading. So here I say screen 1. So I say here screen one. Save this, and I say it is screen 2, I say TWO2. Now we try to navigate from one screen to another. So at the home screen, because it's a central screen, I create here button, I say view, and here I say button. So here I say button, and in this button I specify title, I say go to screen 1 like this. Then I say color of this button would be of I say green, or I can say pink, color may be anything. I save this. So home screen I need this, so I need to specify here button also. Save this. So style sheet we have, so we have button here, or I need to, this view is here. View do not have a closing tag. This is the closing tag for view. This is the text, and I need to reload it because it's doing some problem. So I say reload it. Screen is color is pink, so color problem is coming here. So I say green. Save this. You see, now I say pink color. Pink, I think color is not there, that's why it's the color is here. So it's working now. So I can give in place of pink I can say brown also. I think it work. Yeah, brown is also coming. So this is the button. Go to screen 1. So whenever I click on this, I need to go to the screen 1. Then I do what, because this is the screen, remember that. Now here I have 3 screens. So because I'm using Typescript, so I have to mention the type of these screen. So I say type, and I say screens, I say stack screens, and I need to specify type. So I say the home screen which I am using, that is undefined, because I'm not passing any parameter to this, and I do formatting. Then I need screen 1, I say screen 1, that is undefined also, because I am not passing any parameter to this, any value. Then I say screen 2 is also undefined. So I say undefined, and I save this. So these type I need to mention here, because I need to get interest in the component also. So I need to pass here stack screen like this way. I save. Remember that, because I'm using Typescript in React Native, so I need to pass the number of screen I'm going to use here in React Native stack navigator. And you see now assignment of type is did not means screen 1. So name is because there is a gap, I think here is a gap, so it's creating a problem. So I need to remove the gap and save this. You see now error is gone because it is a Typescript. So now we need to get this in home. Remember this, in a home I need to get the navigator. Remember this thing. So here I need navigator. Then I can go to the, you can say, next screen. So here is a event on press, and here I pass the function. I say go to screen 1. So this function I'm going to create here. So I say const, and function name is go to screen 1. Remember that. So R is missing, so scr screen 1, and then I need this function that will, you can say, go to screen 1. This is the function that we require to send this to go from this screen home to the screen 1. So here I need navigator. Remember, I need navigator, and as a property I have navigator here. So first of all I need props. Remember, here I need props. This props I need, and I have to mention the type of this props also. So for that I create here type, and I say props type here, and here I need to specify the props type like this. Here define per never use, we are going to use this, and we have to specify here something that is required for React Native. For that, what I need, that I'm going to mention you, because here I am passing 3 screens. From these 3 screen I need navigator for this home, that I need. So for that, if you want to read this, So what you have to do, just create a one more tab here, and you request here React navigation with TypeScript, and you will see that there is a same site link, and they're specifying that you have to mention like this, undefine everything, which I did here. Then you have to pass this also, we have did this, but you see here we are using, and in this here everything is there. Then we need this one. So property type we have to specify like that if we are going to navigate to the screen. That means these property I want to read from this, so I need to specify the type of props that is required here, you see. So that I need to create from that, remember this. So how? First thing, I create here this type, this one. So I have to export it. So I say here this one, this screen, so I need to export it also. So I say export this one like this. So I need this type here, so I import this. I say import, I say the name of this is this name is stack screen. So I say stack screen from the all screen like this. And then remember there, then here in type, there in type I need to specify this one, this I have done. So I need to specify this type of property that is required. So this is stack screen props. So here I say native stack screen props like this. Under this I need to pass this stack screen that I have, and second I need to pass here home, because home screen I want from this. So I close this like this way, and I save this, and I save this, you see. So that is this we have but never use. So this is the way to use this home. Remember this, the navigator of home will come here. Now I need a constant, and here I specify this navigation. So I say navigation I required, and I save props, you see. Save this, formatting. So this navigation I need to go to the next screen. So here in this function I need here, I say navigation dot navigate, and here I specify the name of the screen. So that name is screen 1. Remember that I'm going to pass here, and I do formatting. I save this. So this is the way navigation does not exist. Oh, okay, that is the small I think small is there. So I save this. So navigation is there, and we have this. Remember that we get this, and we need to specify this also, the type of the property, because we are passing this as a home from this screen. Remember that from this screen we are passing home, and we are not passing any value to this home. That's why I'm doing undefined. And you see that this is done now, and I need to open this, and suppose I click on this button, so it should navigate to the screen 1. You see screen 1 is opening, and I click this and go to back. So screen 1 is coming now. Now same we have to do for screen 2. Remember that I go to screen 1. So in this screen 1 I want to go to the screen 2. Same we have to do. So I need to import stack screen. So first of all that I need to import the type of this. Then I create the constant. Then I need to create type of, I say props type, and that should be a native. I say native stack screen props. Okay, under this I need to pass again the stack screen, this one, and then need to pass which screen I want to read. I want to read the screen number 1 like this. So I do formatting, I save. Props type is coming. So here I need props, same, and I pass props type. This prop type is coming here. From this props I need to get navigator. So I say const, and I say navigation, and I need props here. So I do this, and I save this. I save this, do formatting. So navigation I am getting. From screen 1 I will go to screen 2. Suppose I click here, and from this screen 1 I have a screen 1. Now from this screen 1 I need to go to screen 2. So for that I create same button. So I say button here. I say title of this button. First of all I need to create a view, because under this view I need to pass this button. I say title. I say go to screen 2, and I say color of this is brown, and I say on press I need to pass a function. I say go to screen 2. This function I am going to call. Then I need to close this also. Then I need to import this also. I say button, and I save this. Remember, now I need to create a function because it will generate error. So I say go to screen 2. This function I need to create, and I save this. Now I need to go to a screen. I say navigation dot navigate. Again I need to go to the screen 2, and I just save and format this, save this. Now you see that this button is there, and this button is also have same formatting as I have formatting for home screen. So I create this button, and I already have this heading. Yeah, already have, so no need of this. So I am a home screen. So go to screen 1. From the screen 1 I am on screen 1, you see, and from the screen 1 I go to screen 2. You see, I am on the last screen. Now I go back to screen 1, then I go back to home screen. So like that way you see that we used React navigation library. Under the React navigation library we use stack navigation, and completely successfully we implement this in Typescript. And remember that in this video we are just navigating from one screen to another screen also. And in next video we will see how we can pass data from you can say one screen to another screen in React Native with Typescript. That's all in this video. If you learned something, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.